8 by 7 is 56. 7 by 7 is 49. The answer is 609. 1 by 8 is 08. 8 by 8 is 64. The answer is 144. 7 by 5 is 35. 2 by 5 is 10. The answer is 360. 8 by 8 is 64. The answer is 640. 6 by 2 is 12. 2 by 2 is 4. The answer is 124. 8 by 4 is 32. 9 by 4 is 36. The answer is 356. 4 by 5 is 20. The answer is 200. 8 by 8 is 64. 1 by 8 is 08. The answer is 648. 7 by 8 is 56. 5 by 8 is 40. The answer is 600. 1 by 5 is 05. 7 by 5 is 35. The answer is 85. 1 by 5 is 05. 4 by 5 is 20. The answer is 70. 7 by 3 is 21. 1 by 3 is 03. The answer is 213. 1 by 8 is 08. 9 by 8 is 72. The answer is 152. 5 by 2 is 10. 7 by 2 is 14. The answer is 114. 9 by 3 is 27. 4 by 3 is 12. The answer is 282.